So this is a quick video that explains what you need to do after receiving your Android media player. So in your media player box, you'll have the following: the media player, a wireless mouse and keyboard, HDMI cable, power cable, and also the network antenna. First things first, if you're using Wi-Fi, simply get your network antenna and screw it on to this gold slot here. Once you've done that, grab the HDMI cable, plug one end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI input of the media player, and then put the other end into your screen's HDMI slot. And just make sure you take a note of what HDMI slot you use so that you can select the right channel. You'll also want to plug this, which is the power cable, into the media player. So simply plug that end into here, which is the power cable slot, and then the other end into your mains power. Once you plug it into your mains, the media player will power on automatically, and you'll see that because there'll be a blue light there. The last thing that you'll need to do is actually with this, which is the wireless mouse and keyboard. If you turn that over and pop up the battery slot on the back, you'll see here that there's a USB receiver. You're going to want to pull that USB receiver out and then plug in that USB receiver into one of the USB slots on the media player, like so. And once you've done that, you're ready to complete the setup, and you're going to be doing that using this, which is the wireless mouse and keyboard. So if you just flip the switch on the top to on, you'll see a blue light that comes on your screen. Make sure you power it on and select the right HDMI channel, and then you're good to start completing the setup of the media player itself, which I'll show you now. Once the media player boots up, it will either be playing some sort of content or there may be an error message on screen. Regardless of what's playing on the screen, you need to keep pressing escape on your keyboard until you come to this screen, which is the main Android homepage. Once you arrive at this screen, you'll need to either press the settings cog if it's on this page, or you'll need to hit the 6 dots here and then find the settings cog. Once you've done that, click settings. Once that's loaded up, you'll need to select Wi-Fi. If you're using a wired connection, you can skip this step and all you'll be doing is assigning the right screen to the device. But if you're using Wi-Fi, just click Wi-Fi. Find your Wi-Fi network, so you'll see that ours is already connected, but you'll need to find your Wi-Fi network, enter in the password and wait until it says connected here. Once you've done that, just keep pressing escape on your keyboard until you come back to this screen. Once you're here, simply click the 6 dots and then select Signage Player here. Once Signage Player boots up, if it does load content again, don't worry, just hit escape until you're on this page. And then what you need to do is enter in your TrouDigital account login details. So those are the details that you use to log into our software platform. So I'm going to enter those in here. Once you've done that, hit login. And then what you'll be able to do is select those screens that you've renamed from the drop down box. So if I just click here, you'll see now that I've got outside and I've also got restaurant. So let's say this is going to be my outside screen. I'll just select outside. If you don't know where these media players are going to be located yet, then just select anything from the drop down box and you can always rename them later. Make sure that this box is ticked, start player automatically on device startup, and then just hit go. That holding page will download to your device and you'll be all set now, and you can start managing the content from your laptop or PC, and you won't need to come in here and do anything. The content will just update automatically as and when you make a change. So that's everything. Your media players are now set up and you're good to go and start making the most out of your digital signage network. Thanks for listening.